Now see here. At what price per kg does Jaideep Singh sell his Kesar mangoes? Right? Now see how you will write. Now cost of 8 kg Kesar mangoes is equal to rupees 1200, right? Therefore, cost of 1 kg Kesar mangoes, you have to find how much. So what you have to do, you have to divide 1200 divide by 8. So you will find cost of 1 kg Kesar mangoes, right? So how 1200 divide by 8. So see, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are. Now this, put here 2 zeros. Now 2 1s are and 2 150s are. So your answer is rupees 150. Okay, so here, so you got rupees 150. Now next is, see, today Madhuben has sold 10 kg Kesar mangoes. How much did she earn from that? Right? Now see, this is, see, the cost of 1 kg Kesar mango 150 we got here. Now therefore the cost of 10 kg Kesar mangoes, 1 kg 150, now 10 kg. So you have to multiply 10 kg multiplied by 150. You will get 100, means 1500 rupees. So Madhuben earned rupees 1500. Is it clear? Now see. Mahipat Bhai has sold 6 kg Alfonso mangoes. Sauji Bhai has earned the same amount of Mahipat Bhai. How many kg Totapuri mangoes have been sold by Sauji Bhai? Now see here. Answer now. See. How you have to do? From here. 9 kg Totapuri mangoes have been sold by Sauji Bhai. This is your answer, right? Now, but how you have to do? Now see, Mahipat Bhai got rupees 360. How? Now 6 kg multiplied by 60. Right? So 6 6 are 36 and 1 0. So rupees 360 for 6 kg mangoes. Now Sauji Bhai sells Totapuri mangoes at the rate of rupees 40 per kg. So weight of mangoes for rupees 40 is equal to 1 kg. So weight of mangoes for rupees 360, that is equal to 360 multiplied by 1 divided by 40. Okay. Now see how you will do this. See here. It was 360 multiplied by 1 upon 40. 0 0 cut. 4 1s are 4 9s are. Okay. Now see. So you got 9 kg. Right? Now here. Raj has rupees 100. He spent fourth part of the amount to buy Langro mango. Now he spent rest of 3/4 amount to buy Kesar mangoes. Now in this sum, how many kg Langro mango he had bought? Now see here. How you have to find? Fourth part of rupees 100. That is equal to, you have to divide 100 divided by 4. You will get 25. 25 4s are 100. So 100 divided by 4 is equal to rupees 25. So fourth part of 100 is 25. Now the weight of Langro mango for rupees 50 is 1 kg. Right? So the weight of Langro for rupees 25 is equal to 25 multiplied by 1 kg divided by 50. Now you will get 150. How? See, 25 divided by 50. Now see here. What was there? 25 into 1 divided by 50. Okay. Now 25 1s are 25. 25 2s are. So 1 by 2. Yeah, 1 upon 2. So half kg. Is it clear? So he bought 1/2, that is half kg of Langro mango. How many kg Kesar mango he had bought? He had bought 1 kg Kesar mango. Now how? See, 3/4 part of rupees 100, that is equal to rupee 100 multiplied by 3 by 4 is equal to 75. So how you got? See, 100 multiplied by 3/4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 here. 4 5s are 20. So now here 25 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 75. So see here, like this you got here 75. Now hence the weight of Kesar mango for rupees 150 is equal to 1 kg. So the weight of Kesar mango for rupees 75 is equal to 75 multiplied by 1 divided by 150. Again, how we'll get? 75 ones are 75 twos are. So 1 by 2 kg. Now see, this is on your page number 12 of textbook. The meeting of women Amra has just started. Madhuben is its chairman. This bank is established by 20 members. Every member saves rupees 25 per month and deposit in the bank. Now see, how many rupees are collected by this group in every month? See, 20 members and every member saves 25. So 20 multiplied by 25 is equal to 500. So the first answer is rupees 500 are collected by this group in every month. Next, how many rupees will be collected in 10 years? So see, 10 years is equal to 10 into 12 months. Now 12 tens are 120 months. Amount collected in 1 month is 500. So amount collected in 120. So you have to multiply 120 with 500. You will get rupees 60,000. So your answer is rupees 60,000 will be collected in 10 years. Next. Rekha borrowed a loan of rupees 4,000. She paid rupees 345 to a bank every month for a year. How many rupees did she pay to the bank? How many rupees are yet to be paid? Now see, amount paid in 1 month, that is equal to rupees 345. So amount paid in 12 months, 12 multiplied by 345, you will get rupees 4140. Now she does not need to pay any amount to the bank. Now next, Meera and her brother borrowed a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy new plants of grafted mango trees. They paid back rupees 23,520 in a year. How many rupees they would have paid every month? Now here, they would have paid rupees 1,960 every month. How? Now amount paid in 12 months, that is equal to 23,520. So amount paid in 1 month. Now 23,520 divide by 12. You will get rupees 1960. So your answer will be they would have to pay rupees 1960 every month. So today you have to do up till this. Write down in your notebook each and every sum I have given you. Okay. Bye bye. Good day. Dada Sham.